All right. Hi, guys. Okay, so we noticed that there were some people who are having challenges accessing our Gmail, our Google Drive, and we realized that the reason behind that is because some people did not have email addresses. So, in this short video, I'm going to show you guys how to create an email address using Gmail because it's free. So I'll go ahead and type the keywords that you have to do in order for you to get to the page where you create your email address. So as you can see on my screen, I've already typed create Google account. Then these are the options that are going to come right after you search for that. So when you click create Google account, this is what's going to come. So on this new screen now, it's asking you to enter your first name and your last name. So let's go ahead and enter those details and not whatever. Yeah, so for the username, the username is basically going to be your email address here. So whatever you put here has to be unique. It has to be a combination of maybe your name, your date of birth, or something that no one else has already made on Gmail or something. So for example, like in this tutorial, the first name there is Arnold, the last name is Piri. So let's try to create an email address for Arnold with this username. So Arnold Piri, let's say 12. If it won't give you a red light here, that means that no one has that email address. So it's given us a red light here. That means that there's already an Arnold Piri 12 out there. So you have to look for something more unique. So let's say Arnold Piri WK1. Yes. Okay, so something like that. It has to be unique and it has to be something like close to your actual name, because this is something that you're going to be using for your official documents and everything when people want to contact you, and it has to show that it's someone that really knows what they're doing and stuff. Okay, so for the password, I would recommend that you create something that's easy to remember, and it has to be something that's secure in a way that it won't be something that people will easily guess about you, because if it's that easy, then people might have access to your Google account because they can easily guess what password you might have put. So I would recommend a combination of letters and characters like numbers, dash, hashtag, and stuff like that. So for example, for me, I would say Richard 12 at something like that. No one would guess that. They would guess the Richard part, but they wouldn't guess the 1 2 at. So that's a simple example of a simple secure password. So basically that's that. So you click next, then see what it will, the further steps that you will be asked. So this was going to be the challenging part, but once you cross this, then that's all. So like you can see there, it's almost done creating the email address. You just have to continue from there, but since this was just a tutorial, my main focus was on these few details that I've highlighted here. All right,